my sorrow. I was keeping that for me. I'll take a walk through a hollow, find some solace with the trees. Some say I'm too independent. The solitude is so sweet, but I'm still a romantic. Pay you a visit in my sleep. Oh, the woods hold me better than you ever could. Maybe two roads diverge,